myself Dr. Rohit Kumar. Today we will discuss constraint in database management system. जिस तरह से हम कोई फॉर्म फिल करते हैं तो फॉर्म फिल करने में हम लोग जैसे नेम एंटर करते हैं, मोबाइल नंबर एंटर करते हैं, ईमेल आईडी एंटर करते हैं। तो जैसे भी हम इनको ऐड करते हैं, ईमेल आईडी के अंदर केवल ईमेल आईडी ही जाए, फ़ोन नंबर में केवल नंबर ही जाए, नेम में केवल कैरेक्टर ही जाए, तो वहाँ पे हम कंस्ट्रेंट लगाते हैं। सेम डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम के अंदर भी हम लोग कंस्ट्रेंट्स को यूज़ करते हैं। तो इन कंस्ट्रेंट्स को हम यहाँ पे 2 टाइप से यूज़ करते हैं। पहला है मैपिंग कंस्ट्रेंट एंड दूसरा है पार्टिसिपेशन कंस्ट्रेंट। जो मैपिंग कंस्ट्रेंट और इसको हम नाम दे सकते हैं कार्डिनलिटी रेशो। मैपिंग कंस्ट्रेंट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड अ कार्डिनलिटी रेशो, एक्सप्रेस द नंबर ऑफ एंटिटी to which another entity can be associated by a relationship set, that is a mapping cardinality. Mapping cardinality must be one of the following. Number 1, one to one, one to many, many to one, and many to many. So first of all, we will discuss one to one. There are 2 sets, set A and set B. Set A contain a 4 entity, set B contain a 4 entity. First, set A contain 4 entity, A1, A2, A3, A4. Set B contain 4 entity, B1, B2, B3, B4. A1 associate B1, A2 associate B2, A3 associate B3, A4 associate B4. That is the mapping is 1 to 1. That means an entity in A is associated with at most one entity in B, and an entity in B is associated with at most one entity in A. That is the meaning of 1 to 1 mapping. Clear? We will discuss one to many mapping. That is, I have 2 sets, set A and set B. Set A contain 4 entity, 3 entity, A1, A2 and A3. Set B contain 4 entity, B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Listen carefully. Set A contain 3 entity, A1, A2, A3. Set B contain 5 entity, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So each entity map to another entity. Just for example, A1 associated B1 and B2. A1 relationship between B1, B2. A2 association B3 and B4 or A3 association B5. This type of the relationship, this type of the mapping is one to many. That means an entity in A is associated with any number 0 or more of entity in B. An entity in B, however, can be associated with at most one entity in A. That is the meaning of one to many relationship. And third is many to one relationship. I have 2 sets again, set A and set B, but that is a reverse, one to many. Set A contain a 5 element and set B contain 3 element. Set A contain A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and set B contain B1, B2 and B3. तो set A में A1 and A2 associated B1, A3 associated with B2 or A4 and A5 associated B3. That is the relation, that is the mapping is many to one. That means an entity in A is associated with at most one entity in B. An entity in B, however, can be associated with any number 0 or more of entity in A. And last mapping is many to many. Many to many, I have again two sets A1, A and B. A contain A1, A2, A3 and A4. B contain B1, B2, B3 and B4. A1 associated B1 and B2. A2 associated again B1. A3 associated B3, B4 and A4 associated with B3 again. That is the relationship, that is the mapping is many to many. That's we can say an entity in A is associated with any number 0 or more of entity in B, and an entity in B is associated with any number 0 or more of entity in A. That is the mapping is many to many. Second constraint, participation constraint. What is the meaning of participation? The participation of an entity set E in a relationship set R in set to be total is said to be total if every entity in E participates in at least one relation in R, in at least one relationship in R. If only some entities in E participant in relationship in R, the participation of entity set E in relationship R is said to be partial. Is said to be partial. First, we will discuss with example 1 to 1, many to 1 and many to many. So first of all, one to many. One to many. Loan is an entity. Customer is an entity. Loan associated with customer as a borrower. Customer attribute is customer ID, customer name, customer street, customer city, and customer ID is a primary key. Loan is a loan and loan is an entity. Loan attribute is loan number and amount. Loan number is a primary key. The loan is a one and customer is a many. So that is the relationship between one to many, relationship between loan to customer. Second is many to one, opposite one to many. Customer is single, loan is many. So that is the show the direction is loan side and show the direction customer side. So that is a one to many or many to one, that is single customer, loan is multiple. So one to many relationship. Third is one to one, single customer and single loan. That is both sides show the arrow, that is represent one to one. जिधर साइड एरो होगा वो मैनी हो जाएगा, जिधर नहीं होगा वो वन हो जाएगा, और बोथ साइड हो जाएगा तो मैनी कस्टमर और मैनी लोन. That is one to one. Thank you.